Krita is a free open-source digital painting tool, while Clip Studio Paint is a paid professional software focused on illustration, comics, and animation. Krita's 2026 updates bring a massive performance upgrade to the free open-source painting engine. Version 5.3. ComplyKey rewrites the vector text tool, adding advanced typography and text on-path formatting alongside a smart gap-closing fill tool. Meanwhile, the V6 Zero branch shifts the ecosystem to QTX, delivering blazing faster rendering speeds, flawless tablet integration, and full HDR interface support. Krita is a free and open-source digital painting application available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux for completely 0 month. This free forever plan requires no subscription or hidden fees, offering 100% free access to full painting tools like brushes, layers, masks, and filters. Reddit users say Krita is a great free painting program, widely used even after university, offering a solid and reliable experience for digital art. Overall, it's best for artists looking for a powerful and free creative tool. Clip Studio Paint is the 2026 industry standard for digital artists and webtoon creators, offering an unmatched vector brush engine, comic layouts, and a massive 3D asset library. It is sold as CSP Pro for single artwork and CSP-EX for multi-page projects and animation. While highly valuable, its crowded interface has a steep learning curve, and the annual update pass subscription model is a downside for lifetime buyers. The Clip Studio Paint annual update pass for Windows and Mac OS is priced at $10.99 for Clip Studio Paint Pro. Meanwhile, the Advanced Clip Studio Paint EX annual update pass costs $31.99, allowing you to sign up and get the latest version regardless of your perpetual license. Reddit users say Clip Studio Paint is a big upgrade from SAI with lots of brushes, 3D models, and smooth performance. It has a learning curve, but useful resources to learn it. Overall, it's best for digital artists wanting powerful tools. Overall, Krita is better for free creative painting, while Fix Studio Paint wins for advanced illustration and professional comic work. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.